Let's supercharge your garden bed soil at the end of the growing season, so when spring arrives, it's brimming with nutrients and teeming with beneficial microbes. By preparing your soil now, you'll save valuable time during planting season and set the stage for a thriving garden. This straightforward process is not only effective but also budget-friendly, ensuring your garden starts the season strong. Start by planting a cover crop, a natural way to rejuvenate and protect your soil. Mustard seeds are an excellent choice due to their fast growth and lush greenery. Within weeks, your garden bed will be blanketed with vibrant plants. This step is critical, offering numerous benefits for your soil and the entire garden ecosystem. Mustard plants are champions of soil health. They naturally fix nitrogen, an essential nutrient for robust plant growth, directly into the soil. Their roots penetrate compacted soil, improving its structure and promoting better drainage, making it easier for future plants to establish. Moreover, their dense growth suppresses weeds, keeping your garden tidy. During the off-season, these cover crops act as a protective shield, preventing erosion caused by wind and rain. Once the mustard has matured and your garden bed is flourishing, it's time for the next step. Instead of pulling out or cutting down the plants, gently press them into the soil. By doing this, the plants decompose right in place, releasing organic matter and nutrients into the soil over time. Their roots remain in the ground, continuing to enhance the ecosystem by creating channels for water and air. Next, spread a generous layer of compost over the leveled plants. If compost isn't available, decomposed manure is a great alternative. Just ensure it's well aged to avoid harming your plants. Compost is a garden powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It also serves as food for beneficial soil microbes, which break down organic material into forms your plants can easily absorb. These microbes play a vital role in maintaining soil health, while compost improves the soil structure and boosts its ability to retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. The final step is to cover everything with a thick layer of mulch. Mulch acts as a protective blanket for your garden bed and can be made from a variety of materials like dry leaves, wood chips, or sawdust. For this process, sawdust is an excellent choice. It's widely available and highly effective. The mulch helps regulate soil temperature, retain moisture, and suppress weeds while slowly breaking down, further enriching the soil. By following these steps, you're creating a powerful soil building system that works on its own throughout the colder months. The decomposing mustard plants, compost, and mulch transform your garden bed into a nutrient-dense, ready-to-plant haven by spring. When the time comes to sow seeds or transplant seedlings, you'll find the soil already prepped and enriched for a fantastic growing season. To summarize, plant a fast-growing cover crop like mustard seeds. Gently level the plants into the soil without removing them. Spread a thick layer of compost or decomposed manure over the leveled plants. Cover everything with a thick layer of mulch, such as sawdust, dry leaves, or wood chips. And that's it. With just a bit of effort now, your garden bed will be ready to nurture healthy, vibrant plants come spring. This simple process not only improves soil health, but also enhances its structure and ensures a nutrient-rich environment for your next crop. Let's set your garden up for its most productive season yet